Tenses are of three types. Present, or we can say past, present, and future. Present and future. Now they are further classified into indefinite or simple, I can say. Indefinite or simple. Simple present or present indefinite. Okay. Simple past or past indefinite. Then continuous. Then it will present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Perfect, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Okay. Then we are having the next type, perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. But now we are going to, right now we are going to study simple present, simple past, and simple future. Okay. So now we are going to study simple present. Okay. Yesterday in previous class we have learned about simple present tense, formula of simple present tense, simple present. So simple present, when we are talking about the present moment, whatever the work is going on or habitually the work is going on. Like I can give you example. I brush my teeth daily. I brush my teeth daily. Okay. So it is simple present. So formula, what we have learned, the formula subject plus verb first form plus SES with singular, SES with singular, singular plus object plus object. Okay. With plural we are using, we are not using SES, subject. Same if I'll copy it down. Right here, I'll write here plural. Plural. No SES. SES will not be used with plural. Okay. So we and with I and you are exceptions are there. So we will not use SES with I also. Okay. So what sentence we can make here? We brush our teeth daily. We brush our teeth daily. So you can see here, children, that we are not using SES with plural. And even I, being a singular, we are not using SES. So what I can make sentence of singular? Ram brushes his teeth daily. So you can see here Ram is singular and I'm using SES with verb. Okay. So now comes on the past, simple past. What is the formula of simple past? Simple past is used when we are talking about something is done. Okay. Something is over. Like what is the formula for simple past? Subject plus verb second form plus object. So we will change these sentences into simple past. Okay. Like I brushed my teeth daily. It means he's saying he used to brush his teeth daily. I brushed my teeth. I used to brush my teeth daily. So what is the difference between simple present and simple past? Only in structural formula that we are putting verb second form. Okay, I brushed my teeth daily. Or we can make other sentence. I ate my lunch. Lunch. I cooked my dinner. My dinner. So you can see we are using second form of the verb in all the sentences. So how to recognize past tense? That we are using second form. And what is the how we will change into negative? Like in simple present, we have done negative and interrogative. For negative, we were using formula subject plus verb first form plus subject plus verb first form I'll write here. So we can write here subject plus does not, or do not. Do not. When we are changing into negative, verb first form. Okay. Plus no SES will come. Verb first form plus object. Verb first form plus object. Do not plus verb first form plus object. So we can change these sentences. Do I brush my teeth daily? Okay. Do I brush my teeth daily? So again, I and you are exceptions. So we are following them do. And with the singular, we are using does. Do I brush my teeth daily? Okay. Sorry. This is, I'm writing for interrogative. I must write, I do not brush my teeth daily. I do not brush my teeth daily. So for interrogative, I'm going to write auxiliary verbs before the subject. Okay. If I'll change into interrogative, this is negative. If I'll change into interrogative, then does will come before the subject. So what will I make here? Do I brush my teeth daily? Do I brush my teeth daily? So it is interrogative. Teeth daily. So for past tense, we are using did. What we are using here? Did. Okay, if we will make it into negative, then I did not. And when you will use did, then second form of the verb will become first form. I did not brush my teeth daily. Am I clear, children? Up to this much is clear. You can show me your virtual thumbs. I did not brush my teeth daily. And same way, if I want to change it to interrogative, so what I'm going to write, did I brush my teeth daily? Again, the same formula will be used here also. In spite of do does, we are putting did before the subject. Did I brush my teeth? Brush my teeth daily. Did I brush my teeth daily? Okay. Am I clear, children, up to this much? Up to this much is clear, children? Show me your virtual thumbs. It is clear to you all. Then we'll move on to the simple future. For simple future, what is the difference? That here also we will use verb first form, but what is the difference between simple present and simple past? That we are using will, shall. Okay. Simple future. So we are using will, shall. Like what formula I'm going to write? Subject plus verb will shall plus verb, sorry, plus verb first form. Future tense we use when we are telling that something is going to happen. Something has not happened. Something is going to happen. Okay. Verb first form plus plus object. Okay. Then what you're going to write, same sentence, I can change. I will brush my teeth. I will brush my teeth daily. My teeth daily. And if I want to change it into negative, then I will use will not or want. Okay. I will not or I won't brush my teeth daily. My teeth daily. Then in interrogative you are changing, then auxiliary will come, verb will come in the beginning. Will I brush my teeth daily? Daily. Okay. Am I clear, children? Will I brush my teeth daily? So in this way you are going to write. Am I clear? Clear, children?